Hello, in this video I would like to show you how easy it is to upgrade this 8.4-inch screen from 2 CCFL to our L-shaped reflector LED kit. Okay, this is for the 8.4-inch. The part number is 84LHS-LED. This kit comes with the one LED strip with the reflectors, driver, wire harness. Okay, so let's take a look at the screen first, that we can try to compare the difference. The screen is made by NEC, okay, NL6448BC26-09. NL6448BC26-09. It's an 8.4 inch. This is a really nice one. Alright, well, before we do that, I usually try to do the compares. I have my controller board here, connected here, see what's the difference. It's a okay, fire up. I have, let me turn on my signal generators. Signal generator, I need to connect here this side. Here we go. Okay. Fire up. Here you go. Let me bring up the white square. No, not this one. Yeah, this is the one that I usually want to. Same old, same old. All meters. You're gonna measure it. Again, usually the CCFL screen, then we usually would be allow him to reply. I mean, one off of 5 minutes at least to measure it, but we don't have time. We just want to see the difference. Okay, 285.4, not bad, not bad at all. 276.4. 366 nits. Not bad at all for such a small screen. Alright, so 280, 300, 270 something, let's say 290 with the new CCFL lamp. Okay, to upgrade to LED kit, it's very simple. You see this plastic clips? Let me see here. I want you to see it. You see this? You push it down, grab the wire, pull out the whole reflector. Push it down like this. See that? Okay, you take it out. See, original lamp. It's a fairly new lamp, so that's why one time we got measurement 300 nits. Okay, so this one is even more easier. Basically, you just stick it out right back. If you want to, you can add a piece of tape to secure the wires and you're done. This end, just connect to here. Okay, I need to have a wire that connect to the so I have a wire, I didn't prepare this wire to connect a LED drivers. Here we go. One end connect to here. The other end connect to here. Oh, controller board. Alright. So we're gonna do the same thing, try to do the quick comparisons. Alright. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. I don't know. Ooh. Okay. Same thing. We're gonna measure it. 938.7 nits. Uh, 1056 nits. 1004 nits. So pretty much, let's say 1000 nits. So the original one with the CCFL 290. After you just slice out LED back, then you got 1000 nits. So it's quite easy and to do it, you know. But I also want to show you something here, is that just be careful if you have this screen. Shut off the generators, too noisy. So this is 8.4-inch screen connected to your this is the come with 6-pin pigtail, color coded. When in black, it's negative. White usually no connection, and yellow of course is enabled to turn this driver on and off. So just be careful when you have this 8.4-inch. According to the status sheet, it's using a 5-volt supply. Ours is not going to work for 5 volts, so you have to find a 12 volt somewhere on your main board. Or this is kind of like an inverter, 5 volt inverter we're using. Or you can buy one of our what we call what? DC to DC step up converter, which is you input 5 volt, you output the 12 volts to fire up this. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.